Hey y'all, Dan's In Body Experiences here again today. I'm in some random building at the West Virginia State Farm Museum outside Point Pleasant, West Virginia. This building's got just a bunch of old stuff in it, a bunch of old knickknacks. Pretty neat. I want to show you around some of the stuff they got in here. If you're in the area, you can stop in and check it out yourself. Oh, look at there. Hey, license plates, old license plates. Sounds corny, but I collect them things. All right. We can get back here and check him out. Oh. I always get sidetracked, guys. Smoky. They do. That one's got issues. Farm news. Some bicycles. Neat old place. I like old stuff. So, what I'm showing you, look at these old plates. 68, 59, 54, 58, 59, 70. Hey, my birth year, 72. 53. What's that one? 39? It's 1939, right? 30, 1930. Old cool plates. Goodness. Yeah, not to covet, but I would like to have them, or some just like them. How about that? That's not coveting for say I want something like that. So let's see what we got. So keep in mind, I'm sure you realize this since I use the word museum. None of these items are for sale. None of them are. We're just looking at them. I guess in that way, everybody can own them, right? Everybody can appreciate them. Yeah. Let's see. I'm zoomed out as far as I can go. Something. His old tractor. Wow. Look at that old wagon. Goodness. I guess it's an old wagon. Some tractor of sorts. Gravely tractor, maybe. That's what gave me that idea. But it does. I think that might be a Gravely. What's this, dude? What in the world? Is that what I think that is? Sycamore tree. Used to be a tree, right? Look at that. Hold that thing out. That is a tree. Ooh, I'd like to have that. Go ahead, ask me why. I don't know, I just would. I don't know what I'd do with it, but it's neat. Okay. Bunch of hats up there. Benjamin Franklin Gravely, the man behind the idea. Huh, didn't know that. So that kind of tells me that is a Gravely. I'm assuming all these items are Gravely products. Pretty obvious that one is, I know. Oh, a sled. This old sled right here. Oh, look at that old sled. Ho. Yeah. Oh no, that's more of a ho sled. That is. Look here. I can just about see that dude flying over housetops right now. I mean, some of this stuff, okay, I think that's something to do with farming. Like a cedar. Put the seed in here. I don't know that for sure. That's my guess. What's this? Look at that crazy thing. Looks like some kind of war train from this angle. I don't know. Let's see what that is. That is crazy looking. What in the world? What in the world is that thing? That is wild looking. A collection of old stoves. Yeah. I think it maybe turns corn into meal or something like that, or wheat into meal. I'm not going to act like I know what that is. I'm assuming this is another wheat maker. Grinding something down. Yep. It's like a bunch of, imagine everything in this general area is grinding machines. Broom, yeah. You know, I didn't realize till not too long ago, here I am, the age I am, didn't realize that they used to make brooms out of, well, broom sage, a weed. You see there? Making weeds do your dirty work. Something seemingly as worthless as a weed. I guess that's what you do with what you looky there. Whoo. Is there moonshine up here? What? Man, no, that's not moonshine. That's for beans. It's for cooking bean soup. Yeah, all these copper pots are for cooking bean soup and potato soup. Yeah, that's what they're for. Some kind of stirrer. Not exactly sure what you. Old washing machine. Is that an oil well? I mean, it looks like an oil well. I don't know what it is really. I believe. Yeah, it's a scale model. I'm such a doofus. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Look at that. That took some time, didn't it? Old washing machines. A lot of neat historical stuff out here if you get a chance to come by the West Virginia Farm Museum and check out this building. That's tough. When it's a piano, don't you just want to? You do. Some of the old stuff of the day. Fair items and 4-H items. Well, probably 4-H. That's fair too. Old glass bottle. What? It's these old bottles. Look at them old bottles. Goodness. There's another one. That is neat. Let me just back up because it'll take a while to show you all them individually. Row by row. Some dishes. A huge checkerboard. It's pretty big. It's pretty big checkers. Weight. Scale. What kind of bottle is that? Oh, look at that. That's a shark. What is that? Vintage 1978. Oh man, that's neat. Can you tell it's a shark? Or is it a shark or some kind of fish? Well, it's some kind of sea creature. That's neat. I'm not sure what that dude clock. Little clock. Neat. Some old oil. Kung Fu. David Carradine, is that you? I think that is him. It's kind of neat, kooky stuff in here. Just neat. Oh man, I like to have that. I got one of them, but it's a car one. What is that? Traffic light. The only traffic light ever used in Hartford, West Virginia. It was donated on July 11th, 2015. Donated. Dude, that means free. Yeah, I know you know that, but wow, that's cool. Not even, mine has a yellow light in it. But that's neat. That's really neat. Little bells. Oh my goodness. Would you, dude, I gotta tell you. Watch this. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna give it that effect. This is a Fonzie moment. You know how many people's told me I look like Henry Winkler? Hey. How many people do you think's told me I look like Henry Winkler? Not a single one of them. But that is cool. Don't that, let's like smack that thing, start playing. That's a jukebox, right? Western folks, old favorites. Look at that thing. That is really neat. Look at that. I definitely would like to have that thing in my waiting room. When my waiting room ever gets done, that I'm working on. Yeah, I do brakes and oil on the side. Not a lot of it. And I like to have somewhere nice for people to sit in. And I don't right now, but I'm working on it. Look at that. That thing is neat. Look at that. I mean, that's record player, right? That's old 45 vinyls. Neat. Dude, man, I need to call myself a museum. Yeah, that way people can donate to me. I'm joking. I appreciate museums because you can get there and I want to take care of the stuff. That's the truth. I get to appreciate it and then I don't have to worry about it no more. So, there's a bell. I got that. Did I get anything back in here? That jukebox was cool. I'm gonna look at that one more time from here. Look at it. Yeah. There's just so much stuff in here. I mean, it's tough to cram it all in a small vlog. And I realize it's not small anymore. It's kind of a little bit over what I like to put. Ooh, look at that color. A little bit longer than I usually like to put on. What in this world is that mess? What is that thing? I'm gonna back up and look at it. That's a press, I guess, because that's old school computer. My goodness. Back up and see if you can get that big old thing in there. That's crazy. This is probably something else to do with printing, I'm assuming. And that's an old typewriter. Really not a lot of neat stuff here. Alright guys. Thanks again for joining me on this vlog. Like I said, if you get a chance to come out here and look around, it's pretty neat. You'll enjoy it more in person than you will on this vlog. Oh yeah, I know. It's not hard to imagine, right? But thanks for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Most importantly, again, please share this video. Get the word out that we're doing this thing, and I'm trying to put on some. I can't help but get better, right? So let's just keep working on it, and you keep coming back, and we'll make a team effort to make this thing go. Thank you, guys.